yun ang ano ko, yung puwet ko hindi puti. Before I hit my freaking
Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning. It is 7:27 in the morning and I'm just watching the news. It's gonna be raining and windy. Freak. I can't even take this off. I'm trying to take this off. Oh god, hold on guys. Crazy charger. I'm just going to charge my phone because I charge it whole night, and then, you know, this is an old phone, low but really fast. My nose has been here dry. It's really have a dry spot on my nose right now because I have a runny nose last night and I've been rubbing it, rubbing it, and it's kinda, I can even just touching it, I can feel the skin peeling off. I can feel it. I've been trying this morning. What I did first is put a lot of moisturizer in here, on here. Okay, I'm just gonna get the laundry out here and fold it. Okay. Ito yung laundry. And yeah, so I'm going to fold it in the in the living room. I have already stuff filed over here and ready to be folded, and I will fold it now here.
Healthy, free, the world before me, the long brown path before me.
I just curly my hair again, and I'm ready to film it. Hi guys, I am filming right here, and there's a lot of lights. I bring my light here because it's kind of gloomy out, and I've been blowing my nose because I don't know, I've been filming, but you can see my nose is red because I've been blowing it. Really annoying, and now my nose area is dry. Now it get worse and it's very flaky, and I will be continuing my video. Be right back guys. I am done filming and I'm just going to unplug these lights. Plug the light. Yung nose ko guys, it's super dry. I don't know, it's super dry. I like when my hair really curl guys, don't get me wrong, I love my hair when it's curled. I did swatches of lipstick. I did drugstore favorite product, and I just swatched the lipstick on, and I did the Provocalip. That means it will stay in my freaking lips, in my freaking hand forever, so I have to take it off before Look at guys, look how hard is this to take off. Look. Look, did you see that? This one is taking off already. The other lipstick, it's already gone. This is the Maybelline Chocoholic. But look at the Provoca lips, guys. It doesn't smudge at all. Look. Okay, let's do it harder. Let's do it harder. It doesn't even... Oh my god, did you see that? It's still there. Look, keep watching, guys. It doesn't... What the heck is it? A pink? So you have to really brush it. It's not bad at all. It's low bat again. I don't know. It's I can hear all the birds. It's really nice to hear. It's really nice to hear all the birds, guys. I can't wait to live here. I can't wait to be here with my husband and my kids. I think this flower is going to die because over here, obviously, let me just change this. Let me just transfer this, guys. This flower here. Transfer it to right there. Let me see. Let me see. Transfer it. There is a light, you know. Put clip in it and let's go. Let's go clean the bathroom. The Clorox and what else? Cellophane. I always use that Clorox. Hi guys, I'm just gonna sit down here and talk of something. I just want to talk about something. Do you guys have insecurities in your body? Like insecurities? Been trying to say to myself, I ignore it. Oh, we're in America. American people doesn't care, but iba kasi dun sa atin. In the Philippines, it's really different. So it's my skin. Yung skin ko, yung mga piklat-piklat, guys, yun ang ano ko, yung puwet ko hindi maputi. Yung puwet ko hindi maputi. Yeah, so I'm just gonna say it in Tagalog. Other women are like to wear, I like that. I want to experience that. I want to wear some nice skirt or nice shirt that is really a shirt and then almost get your half of your butt cheeks. I don't want to wear it, but you know, like you know what I mean. It's not like butt cheeks out. It's like a shirt that, you know, it's no, I can't even do it because I have a really pangit puwet legs in the back. I have that. It's not like pangit. It's just because as a Filipino we want a nice white area skin, stuff like that. But if you have a really kind of like brown and bruises looking kind of skin, I can't wear shorts, guys. Do you have any? Can you just please leave a comment down below what is your insecurities? Because some of them are like the mouth, the lips, the nose, the part of the ear is big, you know, something like that. So like me, I have that insecurity skin. My skin is maraming piklat kasi I grew up in the farm, so that's why I have that scarring in my body, mostly in my legs, in my knee. Yeah. Hi guys, insert shout out to Philip and Melanie Morgan. They live in Southern California. Yeah, hi guys, thank you for watching. Yung Filipina mo, hi Melanie, welcome to the US. And yeah, welcome to the US. And also shout out to Rosaline, Rufino. She's from Cebu. Hi, Rosalyn. Roslyn, not Rosalyn. Roslyn, right, Han? Not Rosalyn. Yeah, it's supposedly be Roslyn. That's how you pronounce it. And also shout out to Michelle Banhao. Is that how you pronounce your family name, sis? Banhao or Banjao? Yeah, so hi sis. Hi Michelle. Thank you for watching. She's from Dumaguete. I've been in Dumaguete for like, I think once. I've been there. I know, twice. I've been there twice. Sammy is making noises over here. So that's why you're hearing noises. And also guys, I have a link of the Firmoo's eyeglasses company, or is that a company or the website? Contact me, Susan. And then she contacted me if I want the glasses to do a review, and then they will send it to me, and I don't receive it yet. And then I asked her if she can give me a discount code for my viewers, and then she did. She gave me, and that will expire March 16. That's this more to go. The sunglasses is free, but you have to pay for the shipping. Yeah, you have to pay for the shipping. At least it's like for, you know, plus tax, stuff like that. So I will put the link down below guys if you were interested. Send me the link for you guys to try their glasses. And yeah, so I will put the link down below, and I'm gonna make a review about the glasses when I get the glasses. I don't have it yet, but I will make a review of that. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. If you want to be in my shout out, please leave the comment down below, and I will see you later. Bye. Yeah, so that's my insecurities. I want to wear you know, like sexy thing, but I don't want to. When I'm size 0, I don't even want to wear like sexy because I'm very like worried of what, you know, kung anong sasabihin ng tao. Kasi doon sa atin, mas ano kasi doon sa atin guys, yung pag naka-sexy ka na, sa marami nang nasasabi. So, para nadadala yan sa akin, sa isip ko. Believe me, here in the US too, there is a bunch of people also that can talk to you. There are like that guys. It's not, don't people would say that, oy, nandito na tayo sa Amerika, no one will talk what you wear. Believe me guys, there are peoples here like that guys. They probably won't say it to you. They probably just whisper it to other people. But yeah, there are people say something like that. But in the Philippines, mostly it's like very obvious. At pati na yung mga lalaki guys, yung mga lalaki sa atin guys, the boys also, the guys in the Philippines also do that too. Are you kidding me? They're the worst one that will like, oh, sexy, whatever, guapa, ganyan. Some Filipina are have that. They're blessed to have a nice skin. Even though they're not white, they're brown. They're blessed to have their skin because they're brown, but their skin is nice and like, you know, Bahamis, yung shiny looking skinny. There are some stuff that you hate before and you love it now, because I do too. Before, I hate my freaking lips, guys. I don't know guys, I hate my lips. My lips is really like, kasi you know why I do hate my lips before? My aunt is, I used to call me ging, like si ging, nagbitay na sang wait, like that, you know, like, oh, ging, your lips is hanging again, something like that. Because when I get like upset, my lips is hanging or something. It's like sometimes even if I'm not upset, it's just suddenly it's my lips hang. It's like hanging like this, open. And then my aunts always call me, your lips is hanging again. I won't forget her. She died 2015 when I was there. And yeah, and now I love my lips guys, no kidding. I don't know since I got here in the US, I learned to love my lips, because guys, there's a lot of, if you know, I don't have to explain it, you know why. It's a bunch of people that would go to yung palalakihin nila yung wait niya to make their lips a little bit longer. What? Even though they don't do that most of, so that's really it guys. I wish I bring my turon, yung obe that I got from Asian store. Oh, somebody asked me, I read the comment if where's Asian store. I replied to you sis. Shout out to Gmar. Shout out to Gmar Gordelio or aka CG Mar. Hi, thank you for watching, and I'm sorry this shout out is late. Ano ba, dapat mag-inom ako ay maraming inom dito. I'm going to drink something. There's a ton of wine over here. I probably bring this wine to the other house before Tommy buy more. wine because I don't want just him to keep buying. And there's a ton of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a vodka over here. 2 different kind of vodka that never used. I just took my makeup off. I don't want to have dinner yet. Time check, it's already 6. Oh my god, it's 6 o'clock already, guys. Time goes really fast, and I don't even accomplish anything. We're just gonna lie down here and get my laptop and edit more videos for tomorrow. Oh well, there is a video already for tomorrow, but I'm gonna edit more videos.
For a couple of weeks, I was wondering if that's something they give you leave to do. Unfortunately.
Dinner time. It's 6:48 in the evening. I'm gonna put Tabasco on my thing. Not in my thing. I'm gonna put a little Tabasco in the side. I have my food right here. Katatapos ko lang kausap yung asawa ko. May mga discussion lang ng mga ano. So, anyway guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I-turn ko lang tong light na dito. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits bukas and I will see you. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. And good night guys. Kati yung mukha ko dito, oh. Makati siya. At saka dry. Sobrang dry at makati. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Look at me and my baby. I love this man so much. I love him very much.
Oh no, I know that. But